So here we discuss about chemical bonding. So first of all, what is the meaning of chemical bonding? How chemical bonds form and how chemical bondings are interact with other atoms and ions. So first of all, our questions is what is a chemical bonding? So chemical bonding is the relation of two atoms or two ionic compounds to combine with force. This particular force is called chemical bonding. So some atoms like carbon carbon and hydrogen hydrogen to combine with each other, so between some force of attraction to works, so particular force of attraction is works, so we called the force of attraction is called bond. So first of one, how chemical bonding. So first of all, just like we form bond like hydrogen to hydrogen, carbon to carbon. So now, so after that we decide how many bonds between carbon to carbon, how many bonds between hydrogen to hydrogen. So how it's work. So we know how chemical bonding is works. So the history of chemical bonding is, yeah, everyone know that over the 150 years many scientists give theories about how chemical bonds is forms, how chemical bonds are mixed between two element like carbon carbon or hydrogen carbon, many others. So so after that, chemical bonding is the bond to be combine two elements. Sometimes elements are same, sometimes elements are different, like carbon hydrogen is a different element but carbon carbon is the same element. So chemical bonding is work on carbon and carbon and carbon to hydrogen. So we go, the next topic is called Lewis dot structure. So first of all, what is a Lewis dot structure? So Louis means, sometimes you know that the pronunciation called Louis and Lewis depend on which book you prefer. So and sometimes we got on the pronunciation about because particular scenario called MTI, mother tongue influence. So we not talk about pronunciation because our next topic is chemical bonding. So let's get start on Lewis dot structure. So our topic is Lewis dot structure. So first of one, who is Lewis? Who is Lewis? The full name of Lewis is called Gilbert and Lewis. Gilbert and Lewis is introduced about how atoms are, how atoms and molecules have electron shares, means how electrons have arranged in atom. So this particular scenario introduced scientist Lewis. So after that the this particular topic is called Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure always know about arrangement of electron in the atom or in the molecule, means molecular or molecular compound. So Lewis dot structure is introduced this in year 1916, in year 1916. Just like he know about how electron arrangement in the atom. So first of all, how electron are arranged in the atom. So we gives some examples how to Lewis dot structure are arranged. So first of one, we know something about electronic configuration. Our topic is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is a configuration of electron inside the atom or molecules, like that. Some I have some atom, means hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, sodium. uh, we put on four examples. So first of all, the know about what is the atomic number of particular atom. So this atom, this element, hydrogen element atomic number is a 1, carbon is 6 and oxygen 8 and sodium is 11. So the categorized theory, all have electrons. So first of all, electron sharing capacity. So in the orbit means just like a this is our atoms have center in nucleus. Nucleus consists proton and neutron, means equal amount of proton and neutron. Sometimes it will be it will be concentration gradient, means proton's capacity is higher and neutron capacity is lower, depend on element. So and electron is move around the around the nucleus, means just like our sun is a center point and our earth is moves around the sun. So this the path of sun is called orbit. So this is it will be also electron path is called electronical orbit. So electronical orbit is decide and categorize about the how electrons are move around the atom. So this particular, so how many atoms in a first orbit and how many atoms in a second orbit. So uh, Lewis dot structure is categorized on the depend on the electronic configuration ki how of atom electrons are moves around the atom. So just like in a carbon, the carbon have so first of all number of, so sorry, atomic number An means atomic number is equal to number of electron have negative charge, so we put on the upper side of the E is negative dash. So atomic number is equal to number of electron. So carbon have 6 atomic number, so carbon have 6 electron, so carbon have number of electron is 6. So how electrons are arranged inside the carbon atom. So first of all we draw a carbon, and this is called carbon atom. So we put carbon symbol C, and after the electron, so first orbit only consists 2 electron. First orbit only consists 2 electron, and after that second orbit consists minimum 1 electron or maximum 8 electron. So here we have carbon have 6 electron, so first orbit we put 2 electrons, so after that remains electron is 4. So carbon have 4 electrons in outer orbit. Means outer orbit is also called valence electron, means valence cell means in last cell of any atoms, which we called valence cell. So carbon electrons in the valence cell have 4. So carbon valency is 4, means carbon sharing of electron is 4 or receiving of electron is 4, because requirement of electron to combine with a bond is 8. So here we put some examples of Lewis dot structure of elements, like we put some examples means carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus. So we put carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus and calcium and argon. We give some examples: carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, calcium or argon. So what is the Lewis dot structure of the particular element, means carbon, hydrogen, phosphorus, calcium or argon. So first of all we decide, we categorize on the electronic basics of electronic configuration. So first of all we doing some electronic configuration. So carbon, so it means atomic number and electronic EC, electronic configuration, not electrical electronics communication, means electronic configuration, not electronic communication. So An means atomic number, A dot N atomic number. So carbon atomic number is a 6, hydrogen is a 1, phosphorus is how many what is the atomic number of phosphorus? The phosphorus atomic number is a 15, calcium is 20 and argon is 18. So first of all electron, so first of all the atom we talk about the atomic number is equal to number of electron inside the atom, means carbon atomic number is 16, so carbon electrons have 6. Carbon atomic number is 6, so carbon have electron is 6. If atomic number is 20, then it have number of electron is 20, not 21, not 19. Accurate atomic number is equal to number of electron. So carbon have number of electron is 6 because atomic number is 6. So electronic configuration is a we put EG electronic configuration, means 2 or 4, not we doing 1s2 2s2 2p6, not this is direct electronic configuration system 2 4. carbon have hydrogen have one electron, so electronic configuration is a 1. Phosphorus have 15. So first orbit have electron minimum 1 or maximum 2. So first orbit have minimum 1, maximum 2, and second orbit have minimum electron is a 1 and maximum electron is a 8. So here we have 15 electron. So first orbit we give 2 electron, so we have remains electron is 13. So first orbit we give 2 and second orbit it gives 8. So 2 8 10, and after that we give 5. So 2 8 10 plus 5 is 15. So number of electron is 15. So this it will be called arrangement of electron. Electronic configuration is always so arrangement of electron. So same it is have carbon, sorry, calcium have first orbit have 2 electron, second orbit have 8, because it have total 20 electrons. So first orbit we give 2 electron and second orbit we gives 8 electron. So after that third orbit, so third orbit, if we have gives 8 electron, then we gives 8, not we give 7 6 other, because we have 8, so we put only 8. So 8, so 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 8 18, and after remains electron is 2. So 2 8 10, 8 18 plus 2 20. And the argon have total 18 electrons. So electronic configuration is 2 8 8. This will be electronic configuration of given particular atom. So we put Lewis dot structure. So carbon Lewis structure is a carbon. Well, always put valence electron. Always put valence. How many electrons in the valence shell? So only put carbons have valence electron. This so last orbit called valence shell means valence electron, or this will be particular compound is the valency of basic of electron. So carbon valency is a 4, hydrogen is a 1, phosphorus 5, calcium 2, and argon is 8. So always put in the dot called is valency. So carbon valency is 4. So we put 4 dot. This is called Lewis dot structure. Hydrogen have only 1. Phosphorus have 5. Calcium have 2. And argon is 8. This is called valency of particular electron. So always put the Lewis dot structure on the dependent valency of electron. If the valency of electron is a 2, then Lewis dot structure having dot is 2. If valency is a 9, sorry, valency is never 9, valency is always 1 to 8. If valency is 8, so we put Lewis dot structure is 8. We know something about that in the class 9th or 10th standard about what is a Lewis dot structure and how it's work. So this is called particular Lewis dot structure. So this is topic is partially in here. And